Activity-based learning is the key word among all educators in recent days. Teachers are thriving hard to correlate every part of the curriculum to an activity. Teachers put their heart and soul to collect resources for fun-filled education. Creative teaching has emanated as a new partner for such teachers to develop hands-on teaching aids for joyful teaching and learning. Creative teaching is the brainchild of Ankidyne, a well-known company in the field of education for past 2 decades. Since the year 1993, Ankidyne has been a pioneer in science park and play park installation by having done the same for thousands of schools across India and abroad. Through the close interaction with enthusiastic teachers, Ankidyne realized the huge gap lying between the activity-based learning and the tools required for the same. To bridge the shortfall of activity materials, Ankidyne established a new company in the name of Creative Teaching. The Creative Teaching is not just a manufacturer of teaching aids, but an integrated set of manufacturing teaching aids and involving the teachers to map them with curriculum. Center for Creative Teaching is a parallel activity of creative teaching established to develop new teaching aids based on teachers' requirements for various boards like CBSE, ICSE and metric, along with hands-on training to the teachers. Moreover, Center for Creative Teaching shall identify and honor the teachers who can be a part of research and development of new teaching aids for various concepts. Though there are plenty of teaching aids are available in the market and also created by teachers, creative teaching aims at providing a complete range of teaching aids to the teacher community with an inclusive development program through periodical workshops on effective teaching through innovative tabletop teaching aids. Creative teaching's teaching aids are a boon for activity-based learning, low cost but durable for years, maintenance free, hands-on training provided for teachers, scope for new teaching aid fabrication against demand, innovative teacher-friendly and student-friendly methodology.